Well, here I got the Oldsmobile here. I don't know where the starter is to whack it because it's just clicking. Like, I'll turn the key on. Everything comes on. But this is what happens. I'll keep trying to do this. I don't know if that's a bad battery connection, but I don't think it is. Because, I mean, I don't know where that starter solenoid is, but I just hear it clicking. Starter solenoid. I might have to skip this one though. But it's coming from somewhere. I mean, I don't know if it's under here. I have to take some parts off, try to whack it, and that's what I'm saying anyways. Is to get this car running. The starter's not bad because it clicks, but it just doesn't. That comes right off. How cool is that? The starter's somewhere though. I don't know where it is. I mean, it's just somewhere. Like, I don't know what's going on with it.